welcome to my course on AWS Certified Generative AI Developer Professional. My name is Rahul Trisal, and having passed the exam recently, I realized that this is a tricky scenario-based exam. That's why I have built this course based on real-world use case scenarios. We're going to start the course with a fictitious generative AI powered equipment SME assistant. Then we'll deep dive into 15 key architectural decisions and trade-offs. This will not only help you in answering the scenario-based questions in the exam, but also help you in building real-world production-grade generative AI applications. Then we're going to reinforce all the 15 architectural decisions through hands-on on model customization, Bedrock guardrails, observability and monitoring, model evaluation. And then we're going to continue to reinforce the concepts with more demos. Then we're going to look at our second business use case on retrieval augmented generation. Then we're going to deep dive into another 10 architectural decisions and trade-offs, and we're going to reinforce the understanding of these architectural decisions with more hands-on Bedrock knowledge bases, monitoring and observability for RAG-based applications, and RAG strategies. And then we're going to look at some of the other important exam concepts such as agentic AI architecture, Bedrock agent core architecture, and model context protocol. Then we're going to look at demos for each of them on Bedrock agents, model context protocol, Bedrock agent core, and other AI services. To summarize what you get in this course: a focused, exam-aligned 10-hour course, a scenario-based, architecture-driven approach, more than 40 hands-on demos, 40 plus quiz questions with a mini mock exam to test your readiness. And finally, a 30-day Udemy money back guarantee. So if you want to prepare the right way for your exam and also learn about building real-world generative and agentic AI application, enroll now. I'll see you in the class. Thank you.